today the plan is to get at least 3, hopefully all 4, if we could find a 4th thing. We could use that picnic table, so maybe all 4. All 4 of the wood panel siding painted, because it's a nice day out. And then I'm going to start working on the walls. And my plan is to get the wall framing and the roof framing done and have the walls painted so that on the next nice day it can all go up, and hopefully we can get the roofing on, and then I don't have to worry about covering it outside. So here we go. Okay, the panels are 4 feet tall, but I want them to cover the base. So the base is 4.5 inches. And then the bottom plate and the top plate are 3 inches. Those each need to be 7 feet. And then each stud should be 48.5 inches each. We need full wall studs of 40.5 inches, and I need 18 of them. Okay, 40.5. We'll make the template first, as always. Okay. So the plan is to do a foot from this side. Let's see. That's about right. It fits. Done. All right, just in case I'll get some audio of me saying it. Actually, it'd be easier to do a demonstration. Hold on. Let's put this back. So the idea here is if I put this here, and this here, that's thinner, so it has room for the door to slide up and down. That's the theory anyway. We'll see. I cannot believe how well this drill's working. I haven't had to change batteries once today. Okay, let's give it a go. All right. All right, should work. Last wall, and we'll paint and we'll be done. Had to modify this guy to put a bottom for the for the door, so the door will rest in here, and because there'll be plywood over top of it, you'll be able to slide up and down, but then it'll have a stop. Ugh. That's the theory anyway. Okay, so we got the walls done, the wall framing done, and Hillary got a coat of paint on, and I think I'm gonna try to get one more done before it gets too dark, and hopefully the paint will be done, or maybe one more coat, who knows. Then we'll start working on the roof. Could probably do that inside if it rains. All right, done.